fellow bats, so real quick, this is like a sort of second in the future kind of introduction that I need to put in this real quick. So this video was supposed to be uploaded a long time ago, like last month, but it never happened, and it's mostly due to the fact that I just don't feel good about it. But at the same time, I also told you guys on Instagram, hey, I'm gonna upload this by the end of the week, and that never happened, and I feel bad about that because I'm supposed to be a woman of my word. So here it is. It kind of has nothing to do with anything anymore. I mean, I do still do those looks, so I guess it's still relevant, but whatever. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, I love you guys. Hello, my fellow bats. So I know makeup tutorials aren't really a thing, but I know for me personally, I still like to know, you know, how a person achieves their everyday look, especially if I think it looks amazing. It's just all the same stuff that's out there, but I'm like, I'm over here like, I don't care. I just want to know how you do your makeup. So I'm putting this out there for those of you who do care, who would like to know how I do my face on an everyday basis. I do it one of two ways, or however the heck I want, I guess, but typically these two looks are like what I usually do. This one is quicker than the other one, and I will say that the liner looks crazy, okay, but it's not. This is just a hooded eye trick. It's because, and you'll see in the tutorial, I did this eye and then like I went to do this eye and I made it too thick, and so it was like it's like hooded eye problems. You could tell that it was just not good. So then I did the hooded eye trick where you bring it, you'll see, I'll explain it, whatever. I could do a whole separate video on that if you want, but yes, so there's that. I did film these two different looks like separately, kind of far apart from each other. So yes, this one takes the least amount of time. Takes me probably like 15-20 minutes, whereas the other one takes me like 25 to 40 minutes. I don't know, something like that, whatever. It's all using Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows. This is a custom palette with just singles that I picked out. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop talking and we'll just get into it.